Hello people, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we want to learn how to position for Base Airdrop. Base is our layer 2 network built by Coinbase. Apparently, there are huge expectations for Base Airdrop, maybe because Coinbase is like one of the big boys in the crypto space. I mean, they have over $5 billion on their spreadsheet, right? Base is yet to launch a native token. So we are going to learn, some of the things that we can do to position for any possible airdrop from Base in the nearest future. We're going to be using a number of dApps in this tutorial. So be informed that you can get the links to all these dApps in the description, right? The app we'll be using basically is MetaMask. So if you do not have MetaMask installed on your phone, go over to your Play Store, to your App Store, have it installed and set up in your phone, right? All right, so without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. All right, so let's open MetaMask. So right here in MetaMask, we can see that these are the available networks in our MetaMask, and Base network is not one of them. So what we want to do is we want to add Base network to our MetaMask wallet. We will go over to Chainlist, and then from Chainlist we're going to add Base network to our MetaMask wallet. All right, so let's open our wallet browser. Come in here. All right, so I already copied the URL for Chainlist. So I'm just gonna paste the URL and go. All right, guys. So here in Chainlist, my wallet is already connected. So if your wallet is not connected, please do ensure to connect your wallet. So we want to search for the network Base, and then we want to add Base to MetaMask. All right, so Base is already added, right? We can then switch to Base network in our wallet. And as you can see, it is now the active network. All right, guys, so the first thing we want to do is we want to bridge using the Base native bridge, right? It is important for us to have at least a transaction history on the Base native bridge. So we want to head over to our browser. I already have the URL for Base mainnet copied, so we're just gonna paste. All right, guys, so here what you just want to do is pretty much straightforward. You just want to connect your wallets. All right, so if you're bridging from Ethereum to Base, you have to switch network. All right, guys, so after you've switched, right, you can then choose the token that you want to bridge, and then choose the amount you want to bridge, and then you approve, right? All right, so you want to do this at least once, right? Doing this could be expensive, seeing that you're bridging from Ethereum network, but then it could be worth it, right, to just have at least a transaction history on their native bridge. All right, guys, so another thing on the list to do is you want to go to Base Guild, and then you want to pretty much perform the tags that are there, right? So I already have the URL copied, so I'm just gonna paste. Alright guys, so we're in Guild, right? And you just want to sign in your wallet, right? Alright guys, so after you're signed in on Guild, you just want to come over here to complete all of the stacks, right, that are here on Base Guild. Another thing on the list to do is to go over to Mint.fun. Mint.fun is an NFT market, you know, that allows people to buy NFTs on several networks. So you just want to go over to Base Network and buy NFTs that are cheap on Base Network. So we're going to go to Mint.fun. I already have the URL copied, so I'm just going to paste. Alright, so over here in Mint.fun, we want to switch our chain to Base. Alright guys, so having done that, you can then begin to look for NFTs that you can afford to mint, right? You can look out for cheap NFTs and then you mint them. In addition to this, you can also use a number of DEXs to perform swap transaction on the network. You can use PancakeSwap, you can use Airdrop, you can use Sushi. So you want to perform as many swaps as possible across several DEXs, right, on Base Network, right? So for those who do not have funds or capital to do all of this, you can head over to their testnet and then you can use their testnet. You can bridge test tokens on their testnet. All right guys, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I believe that the tutorial was helpful. Please do ensure to drop your questions in the comment section, and of course do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.